Welcome to Recall Alert, your trusted source for the latest vehicle safety updates. Tesla Cybertruck recall. Full details: Tesla has issued a major safety recall impacting more than 60,000 Cybertrucks after identifying a serious safety hazard that could increase the risk of a collision. The problem centers on the accelerator pedal assembly, which may cause unintended acceleration in affected vehicles. The problem: Tesla discovered that under high pressure, the accelerator pedal pad can slip out of place. This happens because a lubricant used during manufacturing reduced the grip between the pad and the pedal. When the pad dislodges, it can become trapped beneath interior trim panels, preventing the pedal from returning to its normal position. This malfunction could cause the vehicle to continue accelerating even after the driver stops pressing the pedal, posing a significant safety risk. However, Tesla notes that the vehicle's braking system automatically overrides accelerator input, allowing the driver to stop the vehicle by applying firm pressure on the brake pedal. Affected vehicles. The recall covers 2024 and 2025 Tesla Cybertruck models built between November 2023 and August 2025. These trucks were manufactured before Tesla introduced a design correction to fix the issue on the assembly line. If your Cybertruck was produced during this time frame, it may be affected. Owners can confirm by checking the Vehicle Identification Number (VIN) using Tesla's Recall Lookup tool or through the NHTSA Recall database. Safety risk. If the accelerator pedal pad becomes trapped, the driver might lose control over vehicle acceleration, increasing the risk of a crash. While no injuries or accidents have been officially confirmed, Tesla is acting out of caution to ensure driver safety. The Fix Tesla service centers will replace or rework the accelerator pedal assembly free of charge. The repair is straightforward and generally takes less than an hour. Vehicles currently being built have already received the updated, reinforced accelerator pedal design to prevent recurrence. Owners will begin receiving official notification letters by December 2025. In the meantime, Tesla encourages all Cybertruck drivers to schedule a service appointment through the Tesla app if they notice any irregular pedal movement or sticking sensation.